Engage in the golden glory of turmeric, a vibrant orange spice with a history steeped in culinary and medicinal tradition. Its secret weapon? Curcumin, a compound that carries a multitude of health benefits. Here are 12 reasons to welcome turmeric into your life. Firstly, it supercharges your immune system, helping your body fend off germs and recover quicker. It reduces inflammation, alleviating swelling and pain. Your brain function can improve, potentially lowering the risk of degenerative diseases. Heart health is enhanced through improved blood vessel function. It may also hinder cancer cell growth. Digestion issues. Turmeric stimulates bile production, easing digestion. It's a friend to your skin, reducing redness and accelerating wound healing. If you're feeling low, it can lift your mood. It supports weight management by boosting metabolism and fighting inflammation. Arthritis symptoms can be reduced thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric is also a detoxifying ally for your liver and may even extend your lifespan by fighting inflammation and disease. The recommended daily dose ranges between 500 to 2,000 milligrams. Look for supplements with added black pepper for optimal absorption. Turmeric, an easy, impactful addition to your health regime. Experience the golden benefits today. If you enjoy content like this, like, subscribe, and share.